SsangYong Motors UK introduced the new 21 model year SsangYong Rexton into the UK market. The SsangYong Rexton facelift boasts a new look front end and a revamped rear but retains the qualities, space, all the capabilities of a traditional SUV. Rexton pairs a revamped exterior with a new, stylish interior, while still boasting advanced safety and infotainment technologies. This model year brings changes to its drivetrain too, with a more powerful engine and the introduction of a new 8-speed automatic transmission. All wrapped up with a comprehensive and market-leading 7-year, 150,000-mile warranty.